Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening your browser and choosing where to type, the Google homepage or the address bar. Start with intent. Are you looking for facts, images, or a place? That determines keywords. Type 3 concise words, then tighten the query with quotes for an exact phrase and use a minus sign to remove unwanted results. Once done, press enter. This immediate focus saves time and gives Google clear signals about what you want, so results are more relevant right away. Now you refine the search using operators to control scope. Use cite, domain to limit results to one website, file type, PDF for documents in title, to prioritize titles and/or to include alternatives. If a word is uncertain, place a wildcard asterisk in its spot. For dates, try 2005. 2015. Then click Tools to filter by time or switch to verbatim when Google synonyms mislead you. Make sure to combine operators carefully. Too many constraints can hide results, so remove one if you get few hits. Finish by evaluating results quickly. Read snippets, check URLs, and prefer reputable sources or recent dates. Save useful pages with bookmarks or use the star in Chrome for quick recall. If you need different formats, switch tabs to images, news, or shopping. If searches return poor results, troubleshoot. Broaden keywords, remove restrictive operators, disable verbatim, or clear your browser cache and cookies to reset personalization. Make sure to rerun the query after each change to see how results shift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.